This is a quick part 2 of the previous video, seeing numbers that relates to the day number. Though you see I just talked about August 14 in the previous video. It's funny how there's the 223. I'm seeing already double digits. What I just wanted to show as an example is just on August 11 here. That says August 11. I purchased 2 sets of scratch tickets, and on the 11th, that's a master number. It's a repeating double ones on the 11th day of the month. And what I ended up picking up was these 2 scratch tickets here. And one of these numbers I first saw when I went to the gas station was 22. That stood out to me, and that's personally one of my vibrational numbers that I know of. But when I picked this ticket, I ended up also seeing this one just before I was done. And that just kind of stood out to me. It just drew to me for some reason. And at the time when I was getting these tickets, I didn't even realize that it's the 11th day of the month. But I noticed 11 being a double digits of the same repeating numbers of 1, 1. I ended up picking tickets that were 2, 2, and then a bunch of 4, 4s. And I decided to wait a couple days, and then I just scratched off the barcodes. I usually don't like to play these games because they take up so much of my time. Unless I have lots of time, I do not scratch the thing. And I scanned both of them, and I won $15 off of this and $15 off of that. So I don't know also why the number 15 was calling to me on the 11th day of the month, but I both won $15 off of both of these, and I'm going to prove it right now, and I was just blown away. And once again, the 11 caught me in this repeating double digits here, so I just thought that was interesting for the 11th day of the month. Though it's a master number because it's repeating numbers, and 22 and 44 are also called master numbers. So I thought that was quite interesting. So I also see the number 44 a lot in my life. I don't see the number 55 a lot or 66. I do see the number 44, and I found out that 22 is one of my vibrational numbers. So that's what caused all of this to happen. But I'm just going to prove it to you just to show you that I'm not BSing here. I'm using my old cell phone to scan that has an app on it to scan just to show it to you. So for the first one here, $15 on this green one. And then on the blue one now, you scan that. Sorry, give me a sec. So now we're gonna scan this one here. See? That's crazy. So I have no idea how that happened, and I'm not fully sure what this means, but on a master number day number of the month 11, I found 2 master number sets of coded ones. The first ones where you could see them on the table to buy, and I ended up winning 15 plus 15, $30. So minus that by $8, since I had to pay 3 plus 5, that means that my profit was $22. Another master number of money I won on a master day number. So that's another part of magic right there. I have to think I just unpaused this video at 4 minutes and 14 seconds, just showing you back this on the 14th day. I didn't realize I paused it at 14 seconds when I was just recording this. So there you have it. I just thought that was quite interesting and mysterious. When you guys buy things or pick up things or whatever, hold on to things, pay attention, look at the numbers. I just showed you a bunch of mastering numbers going on throughout the whole 11th day, and that's just something I learned right now. And once again, you guys pay attention, man. There's things going on, and it's a sign to something, and I'm glad I could show you this, and thanks for watching.